Hey kids. So, fresh out of church, and I decided to stop by Bowie, Maryland, and come see Miss Angela, but she's not here today. She's off. So we are going to look at her Monterey model here. There's another model we're going to see, but it's a little cold outside, so I won't be going that way. But I will walk you guys through this Monterey. It's super, super pretty. Okay, let's flip the camera. Hey, Justine. Flip the camera. You would think I don't know how to do that stuff. Ain't that crazy? So we are in the foyer. You come in. You can use this as a sitting area, formal dining room. If there's something you prefer, maybe an office, however you deem it, and you want to use it, that's something you can do. Walk this way. We've got a half bath here. I love that wallpaper. It's super cool. I love the colors. It's like a mocha. Super pretty. So this is the family room. And this is also, it's open. It's got a big, big opening here that leads you to the kitchen. So it's wide open, so it feels very open and spacious, but still separated. So here is the extension, and they have a huge dining room table on this side, seating 8. Come on, that's plenty of space. And then you've got this gourmet kitchen here. As you can see, they have the double wall ovens. They did the waterfall island here. And over here, you've got the cooktop. You can see they're using electric out here. So here is the microwave. Sometimes that's a different position sometimes when you look around, but this is super, super nice that the microwave is down here. You don't have to break your back to get it. Here's your butler's pantry, and here is your formal pantry. But the kitchen is absolutely stunning with these quartz countertops, and it is in the rainfall method of the island. So it drops over to the side. They've got like a mocha colored cabinet with a hint of gray in it. Super pretty. The sun is super bright out here today, guys. But here's your family room. Back to the kitchen, just to kind of give you a nice view. Huge table area over here that leads out to the backyard. Plenty of windows in this house. They did a lot of bronze accents throughout, just so you could see. And we'll go up the steps and see this beauty. Beautiful artwork with highlights inside. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see the secondary bedrooms before we go to the owner's suite. I've seen this model again in different areas, so to be able to see it here is really nice. It's a great floor plan. The upstairs laundry room with all this shelving and extra space over here is really, really nice. Here's the hall bath, double vanities. I love tile up to the ceiling. It's always really pretty. Go back this way. They brought the flooring up here. It's a really nice transition, which I'm a big fan of. I don't like hallway carpet. Here's one bedroom. Bedroom number 2. I love the warm colors that were used here. Vibrant and earthy. Really speaks to aesthetics, what people really want. Here you go. This is a bright bedroom. It's lighter colors, not as bold and contrasting as the other colors, so this is really pretty. And this one has its own bathroom. How fun is that? Love the stand-in shower with a sliding glass door. Gives you tons of room and a little bench in here. It's a really nice addition. Let's go this way. And here we go. This bedroom is so dramatic and gorgeous. But I love the dark walls. And then in contrast, all the furniture is lighter. So it makes it nice and warm. I love the ambient light in the tray ceiling. Great big windows. I love those big, big windows in here. That makes this room super bright. So even though they use a dark wall color, you still get to feel very nice and light and airy in here, which I'm a fan of. Let's go, let's go. We've got our double walk-in closets. So here's one, and here is the other. Now we're go into the owner suite. And they did the seamless glass shower here. So that means there is no edge here to kind of obstruct your eyesight. So you kind of feel like you're looking right through it. That's the point of the seamless. It gives that contrast. It feels like you're looking right through it. So here is this large shower here with a bench inside. The side entry door, double vanities, and the vanities are massive. So you got tons of space for storage and all the good things here in this particular vanity. So you don't have to share. Here is your standalone tub, really pretty. And here is another vanity here. Like I said, tons of storage. Look at all the drawer space, cabinet space. You've got your pantry here and your water closet. Water closet saves marriages, trust you me. I don't want to talk to nobody. Oh, and they have the actual thermometer on here for the selections for the shower. Super cool. Really, really nice. Mowing. Okay. So let's just walk through a little bit more. We're going to go back out. Here's the owner suite once again. You've got enough space for a nice sized chair, maybe a small couch over in the corner. It all depends, whatever your fancy is. But because the closets are so large, you don't personally need all this furniture in here because you've got all this space. I'm personally a big fan of organization, so I would like to see more shelving, more access in this room so I can really put my things away and enjoy my spaces. So here's the second closet. Once again, tons of space. But I do love this green. Green was the color in 2025. So let's see, I think 2026 is almost like, I don't know who I sent an invite to, I didn't mean to. 2026 was almost like a whitish color that's out for this year. Like I said, nice warm steps. Nice warm steps. Hardwood going down, super pretty. And a nice little flow back into that main level. So let's go down to the basement to see what they offer down here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's just see this basement. I'm gonna go see another house, but I won't record that one. I won't do live on that one. Okay. Look at this. So you've got your wet bar area, hangout area, super pretty, it's really nice. Great. So you've got the wet bar back here, your fridge for all your beverages to hang out in the basement. It doesn't always have to be a bar. It depends on what you want in your family. But they've got it set up for entertainment down here. Super nice layout. Leads to a fire pit in the backyard. I'm a big fire pit girl. I love a good fire pit. And it's a deck up top. We did not go see, but it's up top. And we are in Bowie, Maryland, enjoying these beautiful, beautiful sights. I just wanted to jump out here today. I've been wanting to come to this community. Every time I think about it, my sales rep she's always off. I always think about it on a Thursday or Friday. But this is the theater room here. Super fun. And let's go back this way. There are more doors. Always more doors. So they did a full bath down here. Really nice. Good space. And a bedroom. And for those of you who are not aware, that is called an egress window. So that means you can safely get out of this room if anything is to happen. You can go out the back door, but you can also leave out of this particular window to exit out safely without hurting yourself if anything was to happen here. So this is the Monterey. Oh, I love a good utility room. Ooh, is this? Like, what? What is this? Is this the hot water heater? My goodness. I need to know more. Huh. We gotta do some. This is the hot water heater. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know about this. We gotta find out more about this. It's an expansion tank up here. but this is the hot water heater. I have never seen this. I have got to do some research. LG. Huh. It is an LG brand, so we're going to do some research on that. But we're back in this basement with all the entertaining space. They did a wet bar down here area with cabinets, places for wine, places for other beverages, hangout, little game tables, little chill sections. Definitely could play games over there. Definitely great for entertaining, great for just small groups. You don't have to have a million people. Don't be like me. I always invite a million people to my house for everything. And once again, that's the theater room. Super cool. Well, that's it for today, guys. I'm going to go check out another house, but I'll do